Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a back button to iPhone. And here's how it is done. Number 1. Use the built-in back gesture. Swipe from the left edge of the screen to the right to go back in most apps. 2. Enable Assistive Touch back button. If you prefer a visible back button, use Assistive Touch. 1. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch. Turn it on. 2. Tap Customize top level menu. Tap plus. Add back or assign it to single or double tap. 3. Use the back tap feature. iPhone 8 and later. 1. Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back tap. 2. Choose double tap or triple tap. Set it to App Switcher or Assistive Touch for back function. 4. Look for a built-in back button in apps. Some apps like Safari, Settings, and Mail have a back button in the top left corner. And that is everything you need to know about how to add a back button to iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.